It is nothing but the CA Foundation course book. Oh my god, it's too heavy. Paper 4, part 1. So this is the complete study material for CA Foundation course. Hi, hello. So today I'm here with an exciting unboxing video for you all. So you may think that what I'm going to unboxing today, it is nothing but the CA Foundation course book. Oh my god, it's too heavy. I am so excited to know what makes this box is too heavy. Come, let's see. Here is your study material. So first, paper 4, part 1, paper 4, part 2, and then paper 1, module 1, and paper 3. Oh god, I think this is making this box is too heavy. This is too heavy. And that is paper 3, and this is paper 1, module 2, and this is paper 2, section A and section B. So this is the complete study material for CA Foundation course. Let me talk about this box first. You can see that it is mentioned that is CA Foundation course. SM means study material, and on the other side it is having a QR code, it including the student details, and you can also send your feedbacks to this ID, this mail ID and all that. So this is all about this box. So the first book is the first paper 1, Principles and Practice of Accounting, which is having 2 modules. You can see there is 2 modules, and the first module is all about the basics, accounting, ledgers, journals and all that, and second module is little bit serious. It's involving finalization accounts, company accounts, partnership accounts, something like that. So this is your paper 1, and paper 2. Paper 2 is also having 2 sections, section A and section B. Section A is business laws, that you have to learn a lot about laws, that is Partnership Act, Contract Act, and LLP Act, Sale of Goods Act, a lot of acts and all that. So this is business laws and section A, and the other one, section B, is business correspondence and reporting, which is talking about your writing skills, developing writing skills, and communication skills and all that. This is paper 2, section B. And here comes the most weighted books, paper 3. It is only having 1 module, but it is too heavy. Business mathematics, logical reasoning and statistics. This is what is paper 3, and it is also having mathematics and all that, like ratios, max. And this is your paper 4. Paper 4 is also having 2 parts, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is business economics. You have to learn about demand, supply, pricing, markets and all that. This is business economics, part 1. And this is part 2, paper 4, business and commercial knowledge. This is all about business things. You have to learn more about business commercial knowledge, business environment, business organizations, government policies for business, a lot of things about business. So this is the whole syllabus. You have 4 subjects, 4 papers you have to write in CA Foundation exam. So this is, I can say that this is your success mantra for passing your CA Foundation course. So this is all about books and all that. And we also having one other pack. This is the prospectus. This is including complete details about the CA course, about the institute, ICI Institute, and what is their mission, what is their vision, and how these courses are designed, how you have to approach, what are the topics, what are the papers you have to deal with in the courses, CA Foundation, Inter and final courses, and all these things you will get to know from this prospectus. This is very informative, very informative. So this is all about the CA Foundation course. I hope this video is very much useful for you all. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.